Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Confirm you own the account or have permission so actions stick. Open the Instagram app and go straight to the post or story containing the dirty video. Drafts live under your profile if you didn't post. Once there, tap the three-dot menu or the stories options to reveal controls. These are the first actionable steps that let you remove, archive, or edit. Make sure to back up any content you might need before taking irreversible actions. Now decide. Delete permanently if the video is unacceptable, or archive it to hide from public view while keeping a backup. Tap delete and confirm quickly if you want it gone. Choose archive if you may need it later. If only the thumbnail or a portion needs fixing, use edit to replace the cover image or trim and repost a clean version. If content violates rules or involves sensitive material, report it to Instagram with context. Finish by verifying the video is gone from your timeline and stories. Refresh the profile and check other devices. If changes don't appear, clear the app cache or log out and back in. Make sure you have the latest app update and a stable connection. If deletion or reporting fails due to permissions or a technical error, gather screenshots, note timestamps, and use Instagram help or the support form to escalate. One key tip: persistent visibility usually resolves after cache clearing and a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.